Do you know what that ring on your finger means?
Means I'm married.
Yeah, well, it also means you made a lifelong covenant. You putting on that ring while saying your vows. The sad part about it is, when most people promise for better or for worse, they really only mean for the better.
The Love Dare is a book that a person can go through and study unconditional love. They can learn what God's Word says about love, and it also gives them a daily challenge on how they can begin to lead their heart towards falling back in love with their spouse and learning to love them unconditionally.
So lock the door behind you, throw away the key.
Any of us, when we're loved unconditionally, causes us to bloom in life. And so the Love Dare book is a journey through studying what real love is about. But the whole journey is working together to teach a person to lead their heart towards their spouse and to fully know and to fully love someone else.
The Love Dare book is the New York Times #1 bestseller that has sold over 5 million copies. Whether your marriage is hanging by a thread or healthy and strong, the Love Dare is a journey that you need to take. What is your role as a Christian wife, and how can the Love Dare help you fulfill that role? The Love Dare event will help you grow closer with your husband in marriage as you grow closer to the Lord at the same time. Join us on Saturday, April 6th from 9 a.m. to noon as we enjoy fellowship and a breakfast bar featuring made-to-order omelets. Now, I know this event sounds amazing and you'll all want to come, but this is a Renew Women's event for women only. But don't worry, all you husbands out there. I know your wives are going to come home so excited to share with you what they learned at the Love Dare event so that you can embark on the Love Dare journey together.